What's good, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Zamir from XCC Tunes. Thank you so much for being here. In this video, I'm gonna be making a Timbaland type beat. Okay, I'm a big fan of Timbaland. I love his songs, I love his beats, and I watched his masterclass recently and I've got blown away. If you guys haven't watched the series yet, go and check it out. It's wonderful. And I'm gonna make a bouncy beat today using all the techniques, tips and tricks that I learned from him. Okay, so please make sure to stick till the end of this video, alright? And if this is your first time here, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on notification, smash the like button, and share this video to all your friends and family, alright? So without further ado, let's jump right in. So when I watched the video of masterclass, I realized that he used a lot of percussion. He made sure he gave a lot of importance to the percussion and the rhythm more than the melody and the chords. Of course the melody matters, but in his production style he used more of the rhythmic, syncopated style of beat making. Okay, so we're gonna start this beat with the percussion. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I've already just added all these cool percussion sound. I have this tambourine, two types of tambourine, percussion, another percussion, a different tonal percussion, another type. This is a shaker, not a percussion. Another percussion, another type of shaker. This is another tambourine. Okay, another percussion, and the kick. Okay, for the kick, he likes to use a very punchy kick, right? So that is why I got this. Okay, and then we have the snap, another snap. So if you notice, all the percussion that I've selected today, it sounds different from each other because I don't want it to sound the same, because you know we are going to create a syncopated rhythm with each of these percussion, and that is why we need to have a different kind of percussion sound so that the listeners are able to feel that syncopation and the bounciness of the beat, right? Okay, so I've set this track to tempo 89. 89 is good, so let's program just 2 bars for now. Okay, I'm gonna start with the tambourine, the first tambourine. Okay. Okay, the rule to get a syncopated rhythm is to always not use the downbeat. Okay, so when it goes to 1, 2, 3, 4, never ever choose the 3, never ever choose the 1 as well. But if you want to start the beat, you can start with 1, but make sure the next note is not on the 3. It can be 4 or 2, but I like to go with the 4, so that is why I'm going to choose this one. Okay, so okay, I like that. Let's add a few more notes. Maybe here I just want to have a third. Let's try that. Yeah, I like that. Okay, and here maybe I want to have the second. No, I think I want to go to the 4th. Okay. No, I think let's try this. Okay, let's try another one here, another one here. Okay, make sure that you don't use the whole notes here. Okay, we need space to add the other percussion. Okay, so since I have 2 different tambourine, so I think I'm going to give some space here, but let me just program it here and then I'll drag it down. Okay, so okay, like that. So now I'm gonna just, okay, that's just 1 bar. Let's bring it down. Okay, in Cubase I can see what's the first track, MIDI track is doing, and the second MIDI track. I can just move it like this and make sure that it doesn't clash with each other, right? So that's pretty cool. I'm gonna delete this, and then I'm gonna go up, delete this as well. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna go up here, delete this one here. Okay, right, let's listen to that. Okay, that's not bad, but we're gonna add a few notes here because we still have some spaces here where we can add. I'm gonna add here. Cool. Maybe I want to add one more just here. Yeah, I like that. I love it. See, can you hear the bounce in this rhythm? And I didn't even add swings. If I add swings, it will be more bouncy, okay? So let's go ahead and do that first. Okay, that's done. Okay, let's add another percussion here. Okay, I'm gonna start with a downbeat here. Oops, too loud. Now, I like that. Let's duplicate this. Okay, let's add another one. Okay, here. No. So since it's a different tone, so I can add another one here, just close to the first percussion. Okay, let's try that. No. Okay, one more here and one more here. I think I want to have this at the first note here because it's a bit lower in sound. Yeah, perfect. Cool. Let's add another one. Okay. Okay, I think I want to have this at the last here. Okay. Cool. Okay, the shaker. Let's create some nice rhythm. Okay, this is a very straight rhythm. Okay. Okay. This one I'm just adding as a color, right? Yeah, I like that. Cool. Let's add one more. Okay, so this shaker and the other shaker, I'm gonna have to play it together. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna delete these. Yeah. Okay, let's do one more. Okay, the shaker tambourine basically just increasing the speed of this groove. Okay, so we don't necessarily need to have a syncopated rhythm for that. You just add some kind of color, but you can use this for chorus or different section of the beat. Cool. Let's add that. Nice. I love it. Let me quantize this. Sounds really good. Okay, now here comes the kick. Yeah, baby. I'm gonna quantize this and increase the velocity, also reduce the volume here. Cool. Okay, let's do one more. Okay, this is basically just to add another rhythm, like layerings. Okay, I don't know why I add this snap. Let's just mess around with it, you know, trial and error. Yeah. Cool, man. This beat is so fire. Thumbs up if you think so as well. Okay, anyway, so I've got this beat basically done, right? So there's only like 2 bars. We have to make this a full song, but we can do that later. Now I'm just gonna show you guys how to arrange this first. Okay, now I'm just gonna loop this. And another cool thing about Timbaland's production is he like to use a lot of ethnic instrument like flute. So let's add flute. Cool. Yeah, I love it, man. Let's quantize this guy. This bounce really good. See, if you notice, even the melody is syncopated. I did not use the normal rhythm like 1, 2, 3, 4. No, it is very syncopated. That's how you get the Timbaland's sound, okay? Okay, that's another technique that he used for 808. Let me show you. His 808 usually don't do glide or you know, those trap kind of thing. He like to have his 808 very simple. Space in between the 808. So let's do that. Okay. Okay, I think I need another 808 here. Okay, I want the same rhythm here as well. So the reason why I go up to D here, to just create a tension at the last bar, okay? So let's... That's it, guys. The most simple and epic bouncy Timbaland type beat. Alright, so if you follow this technique that I just showed you guys, you can create amazing Timbaland type beat, right? If you guys find some value in this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on notification, smash the like button, and share this video to all your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.